Okay, everybody, it is 1:59 p.m. on Wednesday, December the 3rd. Here's our thread. We're going to go live with a quick Razz for a spot in the division box break that we are doing. Here is our list. Copy and paste it right here. We have Billy with the first two spots, Dimitri with the next four, and John rounding us off with 3. We will do a dice roller to see how many times we're going to go. 5 times is the magic number, so here we go. Good luck, everybody. Dimitri's on top with the first one. Dimitri's on top with the second one. Dimitri's on top with the third one. Dimitri's on top with the fourth one. Check the dice roller. 2 p.m. And our final time. Good luck, everybody. The winner is John. That would be John Rogers. So, John, you are the winner of the spot, the division. We'll type done. And there you go. Good luck, everybody.